Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm in the process of trying to grow out my natural hair, so what better way to do that than to do protective styles and put on some wigs. This is my first time trying to do this, so bear with me y'all. It's only gonna get better with practice, right? That's why we all here. We trying to practice together. This color is 30. And I was going back between 27 and 30. And I like it. It's giving me all-time fall vibes. Like, if you're like me, I'm one of those people who are like, I am in love with like a blonde and ash color and everything. But I don't want the commitment of dyeing my own hair. So just get you a wig or something and just get that out. I don't want the commitment to dye my own hair and then having to do touch-ups to keep that color. It sounds like a whole lot of maintenance that I'm really not into. If you want to see how I did this, stick around, go ahead and push that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Okay, so this crochet wig cap was actually really nice. It comes with combs in it. There's 2 on the side and then 1 in the back just for some extra security. So then I'm just going to show you the texture of the hair. I forgot to actually record the package, but this only cost me $6.99. It was like 4 bundles in 1 pack. So I'm sure if you go to your local beauty supply store, you can find something that's pretty much the same texture, if not the same exact one that I had. So this first loop that I do, I just wanted to see if I could get away with 1 knot, but it was not tight enough. So you'll see I'll go ahead and I'll make a second knot and it gets it a whole lot tighter. If you've never done crochet before, it's kind of hard to explain. It's better to watch. But you do just take the crochet needle through close. You hook the hair, close the latch, pull. You lift the other end through the loop, twist, and pull. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. All I can think about is like SpongeBob. You do the loop-de-loop and pull, and your crochets are looking cool. So when I start to work on the front, I'm going to actually split one of the hairs into 2 so that this way it's going to be a lot thinner than it is going to be in the back. But we're still just going to do the same technique to get those through the net. So once I finish going around the wig regular, the last step I'm going to do is just split the hair and see where there are any huge gap openings. And I'm just going to go and take some hair and fill in those gaps so they're not so big. Alright, so y'all can see, I can't see, but this is it before I actually cut it. Okay, I can see myself in the camera a little bit. Okay, cool. Now that we're looking like little Richard, I'm gonna cut it. It's looking better. It's looking so much better. So if you feel like it's just looking like real like old lady-ish Jerry curlish, like cut some layers in that bit. That's all she probably need. Put some layers in that bit. Okay, not gonna lie to y'all, I did do a lot of cutting off camera. It was really just layers, just going through the middle and the sides and doing layers, and I think I got it to the point of where I want it now. It's a lot of hair. The only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to pull out the rest of this fallout hair because it's getting all over me. It's all over my floor. It's a hot mess. So I'm gonna rub some oil through the hair and like some mousse as well. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do that. So I just part the hair in sections and I work it piece by piece, and I start off with an oil, so just any type of oil. I'm using Jamaican black castor oil, and then over that I go in with my wrapping lotion. Use mousse or wrapping lotion. I'm sure it will work either way, but I personally just prefer a wrapping lotion. And then I just go through each section and I smooth that in, and this just makes the curls pop more and makes it so much better and shinier. How it looks after I put the mousse on and let it sit overnight. So I put the mousse and I put, well, not mousse, but wrapping lotion or mousse, whichever one you have, and I put the Jamaican black castor oil as well on here. So that just really livened up the curls. Like, I feel like the curls are just so much more shiny now and lustrous and just so much more defined. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on. Okay, and the last thing I'm gonna do, I think I have most of the shedding out when I was pulling it out. It doesn't look like too much is falling out just from the little bit of bangs that I just cut. The only other thing I want to do is just fluff out here because I feel like I could see some of the knots. So I'm just gonna try to fluff this out a little bit. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. It came out better than I expected to. I was a little nervous. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, come back. You know the deal. This is where I do my awkward outro video. I'm gonna cross my legs and that works. Is that for the girls? Do the girls like that?